Welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing how to make a simple skin repair cream that you can use to treat redness, dark spots, skin discoloration, and also for anti-aging. So stay tuned to find out how I make this parsley cream. I'll be making use of fresh parsley. Please make sure that you wash your parsley to avoid contaminating the cream. I've already washed the parsley, so I'm going to slice it and add the parsley into the blender because I'm going to blend it into a paste. Parsley is a wonderful herb that contains vitamin A, C, and K. It will help to improve our skin texture. It contains minerals like calcium, potassium, magnesium, zinc, and copper. And adding it to our cream will help to lighten dark spots, remove dead skin cells, and make your skin to glow, and also help to stimulate the production of collagen so that it can protect our skin from premature aging. So when I'm done blending, I'll add into a bowl. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of rose water. If you don't have rose water, you can add just a little water. This will help us to extract the parsley juice. Press to get the parsley juice. You can choose to use all the liquid depending on the quantity of the cream that you want to make. I'll be making use of GLYCERIN. I'll be adding half teaspoon of GLYCERIN. GLYCERIN will help our skin to retain moisture and also relieve dryness. I'll also add vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil will help to moisturize our skin and also help to fade scars. I'll also make use of 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is very good for fighting aging. It will soothe sunburn. It will also help to treat burn or dry skin. So when I'm done adding, I will stir to mix properly. Finally, the Parsley Face Cream is ready. This cream is effective in removing dark spots, acne spots, skin discoloration. It will help to stimulate collagen production because there is zinc in parsley juice. So you can apply this on your skin and you will see the effective result. Try applying this at least 3 to 4 times in a week for effective results. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.